Hey guys, it's the last day of 2017 and I figure why not use it for a wash day so I can step into 2018 with some new hair. So, if you guys watched my blonde journey video, you see that I got my hair done and I'm ready to wash it out because I feel like it's already kind of going yellowy. So I was looking up some shampoos that would best fight the brassiness and the yellowness because I want to be like silvery, you know, sparkly, not like gold and yellow. So I was watching a couple videos and I saw people using this shampoo because purple shampoos and conditioners are great for dyed blondes and even natural blondes. And this is Fudge Professional. I got it from Amazon. And it says clean blonde shampoo, violet toning shampoo, removes yellow tones from blonde hair with hydrating guarana. I don't know what guarana is. So I'm going to wash my hair with that today. And then I decided to go with this CLAIROL Shimmer Lights conditioner. And it says Shimmer Lights conditioner, blonde and silver. And it's color enhancing conditioner, restores silkiness and manageability in blonde, highlighted, and silver hair. Then I got this, I told you guys I got this from my hair salon. It's a DEVACURL Heaven in Hair Deep Condition Treatment. Intense moisture treatment because you don't want this to dry out. Then I think I'm going to attempt a wash and go. So we'll see. Let's go. So this is my hair with no product. It's been like this for about a week. And we're going to just rinse out as much as you can. In this moment, I'm kind of just like nervous because I did go over it with a flat iron a couple times at the salon and then just a couple times on a cooler setting at home. So I was nervous that my curls weren't going to come back. So this is what my color looks like when it's wet, obviously. And this lighting is a little bit poor. The rest of the video should show an accurate coloration. So I'm going to just start with the Fudge shampoo. As you can see, it's highly pigmented with purple. And I mean, it gets everywhere. Like my back was even stained. So I just want to make sure that I don't forget to scrub because I'm thinking that it's like more of a conditioner and it's really not. And it says to leave it on for 5 minutes. So I just kind of make sure to time myself because your hands could get dyed and you don't want your hair to turn an odd shade of purple. Before I wash it out, I just make sure to scrub my scalp because I'm not going in with a different shampoo. I'm just gonna rinse it out and make sure to get all of it out because it's like super easy to forget places because I use so much. As you can see, this is kind of the difference. It's not much difference yet, and the lighting is a little bit different, but here you can see that some yellow tones have started to come out and it's getting a little bit more sparkly. So now I'm going to go in with the CLAIROL Shimmer Lights conditioner, and this is also highly pigmented, and I just want to make sure that I keep going over and over and over with it. And as you can see, it even starts to like balance it out. You start to see the ashiness with the conditioner. It's not as yellow, and so I'm just going to leave that on also for 5 minutes. I just love and prefer the ashy color over the yellowy gold tones. Now as my clock is ticking for the 5 minutes, I go in and I detangle with a wide tooth comb so that when I'm ready to do my deep condition next and my wash and go, my hair is ready and my curls are nicely divided and defined. This does get your tub messy, so I would do this before I wash my tub and not directly after. So now I'm just going to rinse it out, and I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of, I guess, directly after the shampoo and now after the conditioner. Again, the lighting is a little bit different, but you can still see the difference. Now I'm going to go in with the DEVACURL Heaven and Hair Intense Moisture Treatment, which is a deep condition treatment that is just like extra silky, extra smooth and creamy. And I love the feeling it gives to my hair. There's just a lot of slip. And so I'm just going to make sure that I go over and over that those sections of my hair to make sure that each follicle gets the treatment. Then I put on a shower cap and I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes. Now I didn't know whether it was still going, the process was still going, so I just showed another side-by-side comparison from after the conditioner to with the deep conditioner in my hair after 20 minutes. So I've rinsed out the deep conditioner. Once again, here's my hair. That's the before picture. My curls are just back to normal. So here I'm going to go in with a curl enhancing smoothie and the Nourish and Silken Styling Gel from Shea Moisture and the Eco Styler Gel with flaxseed and castor oil. First I'm going to start by wetting my hair, and I'm going to do that with each section. And then I'm going to go in with this oil mixture that I have of castor oil, jojoba oil, and tea tree oil, just to make sure my hair stays moisturized underneath the products I'm going to put in. So I'm going to put up the front section of my hair, and I'm going to work on the back section. I'm going to wet it so that my curls get moisture and they're defined. And I'm going to go in with the curl enhancing smoothie and then go through with this brush, which I love. Honestly, a Denman brush does not work as well for me because the padding just keeps slipping out, and this brush is just amazing. It doesn't break, nothing slips out, and it's just perfect. So then I go in with the gel cream and then the Eco Styler Flaxseed Gel. Brushing it before putting in the product helps to define my curls and make sure that when I'm done, my wash and go looks poppin'. Now this is just kind of a bonus addition to this video because this video is to focus on the toning. So if you guys desire, I will do a more detailed video on my wash and go process because I actually don't show my diffusing process at the end of this. So as you can see, the cream, an excess product builds up on the brush, and I love that because I don't want my hair to be soaking with product, so I can just scoop it off and slide it off. So this is my hair with each section with all the product in it, and now I'm just going to go through and kind of make sure that I define my part, shingle my curls. And what I don't show on this video is I go in with basically like 3 t-shirts, and I take out some of the excess product by just scrunching my hair with the t-shirts. And so now jump to after the diffusing process. I let it air dry for a bit, then I diffuse and stretched my roots a little bit. And I'm just loving, loving, loving this color with my wash and go. It just makes it look so much better. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, comment,